So here I am talking about what is a multi-dimensional partnership and how you can go ahead with cracking a multi-dimensional partnership. So let's talk about first what is a multi-dimensional partnership. A multi-dimensional partnership is nothing but something very similar where it's a case scenario where in a partnership with one client, one person or one stakeholder is involved, and here it can be like a combination of different things. Either you're getting exchange from them and revenue, or they are a knowledge partner and partnering for an event as well, or they are a project partner partnering for an event as well and giving you funds as well. So it can be like a combination of two or more than two kind of situations which in which the client or that one stakeholder is benefiting you. Now it can be a combination of these, and more than one portfolio from your end can be involved. For example, it can be a partnership between for IGCP and BD both, or it can be a partnership for OGX, BD and IGCP both, or it can be a partnership for marketing, IGCP and BD. So it can be any kind of a permutation or combination. Yeah. Now let's talk about how can you go ahead with striking or creating a multi-dimensional partnership. So now that we know that it involves more than one portfolios, can have more than two benefits. The first step is to customize. If you really want to know how you can customize it, please go and watch the video on customizing your product. That is where you will be given more information about how you can customize your product. You need to define your timelines, you need to define your activities, and you need to define the end responsible. For a multi-dimensional partnership, what are the activities that we are going to do under delivering the project? What are the activities that we are going to do, say for example, for tracking, impacting or showcasing on the project, and who is the end responsible? Are you the end responsible, or your VP BD is, or VP marketing is, or VP OGX is? You need to figure that out and define it very well and make sure you stick to it. The third and the most hard part for all MDPs is to deliver. Please make sure that it is delivered from every end responsible and it is tracked at the same time. Yeah. So these three simple things to deliver an MDP really well. Now let's talk about it. Why you should do MDP? Why are we stressing on LCs going out and cracking MDPs? We do not want to complicate your life. We're just trying to make your life more simpler. How? Dual benefit. MDP comes with a dual benefit. Here you get exchange and you get revenue. You create an impact and you get funds, right? One stakeholder involved. Now here you do not have to go and manage a lot of different kind of clients or stakeholders, one for funds, one for working on the project, one as a knowledge partner. Here it's one stakeholder involved. The other is easy and better delivery, because you have to deliver to one person, one point of contact, one stakeholder, and that leads to long-lasting relations if you do CRM really well. Yeah. Now let me take a very quick example of how you can partner for an MDP and make sure it's delivered well. Let's take an example of a college. Say for example you partnered with a college, and here you are delivering awareness sessions to the college students where IGCP is the end responsible. The college is also giving you funds or is also partnering with you for an event that you are organizing and is maybe acting as a title sponsor on your event. This is here BD comes in as an end responsible, and maybe the college is also promoting your YGEP product amongst the students. This is where OGX comes in picture as an end responsible. You three together can deliver to this partnership. How? You know it how and why, you know it, and now you know what. So now you guys know how you can crack an MDP and do it really well. The key to delivering a very good multi-dimensional partnership is to synergize. Please make sure that you synergize and you do it really well. Let's make this happen. Thank you.